Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India with Remitly. This process is going to be quite simple. First of all, what you need to do is open your Remitly account, okay? I'm going to skip this step. However, opening an account with Remitly is pretty easy. Secondly, what we have to do is even easier. The second step is to go here to your name, click on settings, and then here where it says payment method. We're going to click where it says add payment method and choose the card option. And well, here what you need to do is enter your card details or whatever payment information appears for you. Secondly, what we're going to do is once we've added the payment method, we'll click on send money. And here we are going to select the country to which we want to send money, okay? We can do this by clicking here on the Remitly website and then clicking here. Here we're going to choose the country to which we want to send money, which in this case is India. So we carefully type in India into the search bar and then we patiently wait for the system to fully load the results. Now as you can see, it is actively loading the information right here on the screen. And now we click on send money. So here what we're going to do is carefully set a specific amount for the transaction, ensuring accuracy and precision. And here we will clearly see and determine precisely how we are going to securely send the money to that designated person, considering various convenient options such as a direct debit card transfer, a secure bank account transfer, or a flexible credit card payment. Following this, we will confidently click on the continue button to proceed to the next stage of the process. We will then patiently wait for the comprehensive form to fully appear on the screen, which will allow us to meticulously fill in all the necessary and important details pertaining to the intended recipient. We anticipate a brief moment, perhaps just a few seconds, for the system to load and present the required input fields. And, well, here they're going to ask us for some of our own information. In the end, we're going to enter both the recipient's information and our own in order to send the money. It's actually quite simple to do, and there shouldn't be any major issues with this. If this video has helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.